Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best affordable electric routers on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the TwoWin router tool, 110V800W. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The TwoWin router tool is a versatile 800W woodworking tool designed for precision and durability. Operating at 110V, it's ideal for trimming, cutting, and shaping wood, plastic, and laminate materials. With an adjustable base, it allows for greater control and accuracy, making it suitable for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The compact design ensures easy handling, while the aluminum body enhances durability. This tool also features a clear base for improved visibility during work. It's perfect for various applications, such as cabinetry and furniture making, offering reliable performance at an affordable price. Number 2 is the Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP compact router tools for woodworking. The Avid Power 6.5 amp 1.25 HP compact router is a high-performance tool ideal for woodworking projects. With a powerful 6.5 amp motor, it delivers up to 1.25 horsepower, making it perfect for precise trimming, cutting, and edging. The variable speed control ranges from 10,000 to 32,000 RPM, allowing you to adjust the speed based on the material. It features a smooth rack and pinion depth adjustment system for accurate operation and comes with both fixed and plunge bases for versatility. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and it includes a carrying case for easy transport and storage. And to finish, the first position goes to the Bosch PR20 EVS router tool. The Bosch PR20 EVS router tool is a compact yet powerful option for woodworking. It features a 1 horsepower motor with variable speed control, ranging from 16,000 to 35,000 RPM, allowing for precise adjustments based on the material and task. The soft start function reduces torque, ensuring smoother operation. Its durable aluminum body and fixed base offer stability, while the precise depth adjustment system ensures accuracy. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle. Ideal for trimming, edging, and other detailed work, this tool is perfect for both professionals and hobbyists seeking reliability and precision. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 electric routers that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.